Welcome back to 360 Virtual Autos, where the rubber meets the digital road. Today, we're taking a closer look at a vehicle that redefines the boundaries of luxury and efficiency, the 2018 BMW 745E, a masterpiece of engineering and design that harmonizes power, elegance, and sustainability. Dressed in an impeccable alpine white, the BMW 745 doesn't just make an entrance, it makes a statement. Step inside, and you're greeted by a sanctuary of comfort and technology. The 745E's cabin is a symphony of premium leather, high-gloss wood trim, and cutting-edge technology. On the road, the BMW moves with a grace that belies its size, its hybrid engine operating with whisper-quiet efficiency. For more insights into the world of luxury automobiles and the technology that powers them, subscribe to 360 Virtual Autos. Like, comment, share, and hit the notification bell for more top Assetto Corsa mod car showcases. Until next time, keep driving.